Stucco painting process. Begin by washing the stucco. Use the foam cannon to apply soap to the siding. Let the solution work while on the surface, but don't let it dry. Ensure to high pressure wash the soap off. Use a rotary nozzle to water scrape the siding to really remove any stains on the stucco, but careful not to damage it. Always wear safety goggles as parts of the stucco can come flying off. Similarly to spraying a house, follow a methodical washing pattern to make sure you don't miss any spots. Rinse off surrounding areas. Use extension wands and poles to not only wash the house faster but more safely. Wait for the stucco to dry. Use stucco repair to repair any minor patches and cracks larger than a hairline, as they will not be bridged by the coating. It is important to do this as soon as possible to allow enough dry time to be recoated. For larger repairs, subcontract to a specialized stucco repair tradesman and wait at least 30 days before recoating. Mask surfaces that will not be painted, and protect surrounding areas. Ensure to tape the caulking around windows as it cannot be painted. Where necessary, remove the caulking to install a new bead later. The surface is ready to be painted. You should be spraying stucco in airless mode, as air assist will not help to atomize this thick coating. You can use a .23 to .37 orifice size for spraying stucco, depending on your equipment and desired fan pattern. Use a 625 for a 10 to 12 inch spray pattern, or a 1237 for up to an 18 to 24 inch spray pattern, if you are comfortable spraying wider and at a higher pressure. If you spray a lot of stucco, a larger airless system may be warranted to spray with multiple guns at the same time. Test a spray pattern until a perfect cigar-like pattern is achieved. You want to be spraying at the lowest possible pressure without having lines on the top and bottom of your spray pattern. This is likely to be between 1750 and 2250 psi. When spraying, you will need to angle your spray in every direction to get in all the cracks and crevices. Spray 8 to 10 inches from the surface to ensure maximum paint transfer efficiency and proper thickness. This distance will ensure that you can get enough paint on the surface when coating from all directions and blend into the next section properly to avoid overlap lines. Overlap lines occur when there are varying thicknesses of paint. When spraying acrylic siding, 2 thinner coats may be required to get an even finish, or alternatively, our textured finish. Never stop in the middle of a wall. If the span is long, having 2 sprayers and ladders is helpful to always keep a wet edge. Always use ladder bumpers to avoid damaging the stucco. Make sure you always maintain a wet edge to avoid different sheens and a natural flat finish. True to the name of our liquid wrap coating, you should be wrapping the home with a thick, even coat with at least 15 mils of coating wet. Depending on the porosity and texture of the stucco, a gallon will cover between 75 and 100 square feet. It is very important to apply the proper thickness to get that durability and finish we are looking for.